everyone, this is Jessica here with Abracadabra Refurbished, and I hope you all are having an Abracadabra Refurbished day. Yes, this is going to be my first ever video on YouTube. So I've decided to start with a smaller project, just for practice. We refurbish and upcycle larger furniture in the garage, so more videos to come, so stay tuned. Here I am getting ready to start with the first coat of DIY paint color beadboard. Before painting these, I wiped them down really well with a multi-purpose cleaner. I am getting ready to give these lamps their first coat of paint. I will be using DIY beadboard. I have been inspired to make this video from Jami and Zeb Ray at JamiRayVintage.com. I watch a lot of their videos on YouTube. Hopefully I can make this look as easy and breezy as they do. They are very good at making the lampshades into skeleton shades, which is what I'm going to do here. I also buy all of my DIY products from JamiRayVintage.com. DIY paint is awesome. I love DIY clay-based paint because it sticks to just about everything with minimal prep. As you can see, I almost have full coverage with just one coat. Jami and Zeb make this look so easy. Here, I just started anywhere, pulling and cutting to get the fabric off. Time to touch these up with the second coat of beadboard. I took the lamps and shades outside to spray paint them. I top coated the lamps with Rust-Oleum clear satin finish. And because the shades were rusty, I decided to spray them with Rust-Oleum oil rubbed bronze. I am out of the DIY dark wax, so I am using antique wax made by Bear, bought from the Home Depot. started to apply the antique wax in small sections so that I could wipe it back to experiment to see what it would look like, and I was very happy with the way it was going to look. Here I am applying the antique wax to the tips, the tops of the lamps. I will show you a close-up here in a minute. Here I am putting the lamps back together and putting in the new Edison bulbs. I ordered a 6-pack of Edison bulbs from Amazon, so I am putting them into my other lamps as well throughout the living room. I definitely will be ordering more of these. Again, here I am very pleased and happy with the way these turned out.